Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $200? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 Pro. Creality Ender 3 Pro is the most potent and popular printer available in the market. This printer, revered for its overall print quality and easy usage, is available for half the price. It offers superior print quality, which is one of the prerequisites when choosing from the best 3D printers. When printing in the ABS, the machine needs minor adjustments. The machine offers a smoothly finished product with PLA, but the ABS prints lack a smooth finish and also luster. Creality Ender 3 Pro is easy to use and takes an hour to install correctly. You can operate the printer with the software provided by the company or use Cura, a third-party software. It has a slicer that works better with third-party software that helps the machine to separate the printed model from the spool. To cool the polymers after printing, Ender 3 Pro comes with a single-layer cooling fan. It also has a spool holder on the top that can be used to mount an entire roll of the spool. Number 2. Creality Ender 3. Several features make Creality Ender 3 3D relevant in the market. First, it comes in 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters dimension, which is ideal for small-scale printing. You get a heated build plate that is quite similar to BuildTak. The filament pathway of the printer is quite tight and makes printing with flexible materials easier. Another notable feature of this product is the power recovery mode that enables the machine to resume printing in case of a power failure. You can print with almost anything on this machine. It is compatible with ABS, PTG, PLA, exotic and flexible filaments. Assembling the Creality Ender 3 3D printer is very easy and takes very little time if you follow the instructions provided in the manual. It doesn't look any different from a high-end printer once you perfect the calibration. A common problem with this printer is the uneven base, which causes the printer to wobble. However, you can solve this problem by sticking a wedge under it. Number 3. Sovol SV01. The SV01 is the first product that was introduced by Sovol. Though it falls in the budget price range, its features are the best in the market. To begin with, it has a great design that supports the functioning of all components. For instance, the company has added the direct drive extrusion system, which is rare in budget printers. The direct drive extrusion is supported by the dual stepper motor on the Z-axis. Combining these to the machine eliminates wobble during the printing process. It also contributes to adding a smooth finish to the design. SV01 offers a commendable accuracy without any adjustments. You may face some retractions and extrusions from the machine that can be improved with minor tweaks. The machine prints quite well on glass print beds too. This eliminates the fear of design damage due to the plastic sticking on the surface. The 24V power supply helps the machine to design with materials like ABS. Number 4. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer supports a maximum printing speed of 250 millimeters per second, 2500 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. The speed has been greatly improved while maintaining the printing quality, saving 73% of the time compared with other printers. Ender 3v3 SE is the upgrade of Ender 3, Ender 3v2, Ender 3 Pro, Ender 3 Neo, Ender 3v2 Neo, Ender 3S1, Ender 3S1 Pro, etc. 3D printer. Comes with a new upgraded Sprite, full metal dual gear direct extruder, more powerful extruder pushing force and lightweight. The extruder realizes smooth feeding and discharging of filaments without slipping. Works extremely well in printing filaments like PLA, TPU, PTG, etc. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. Creality Ender 3 upgraded 3D printer features a CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset. Just lay back and enjoy the print success. There is no need to participate manually throughout the process, making leveling much easier. High-precision dual Z-axis lead screws reduce Z wobbling effectively. Avoid printing deviation in single-axis printing. This Creality 3D printer Y-axis features two 8mm linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, ensuring printing stability and higher printing accuracy over a long-lasting time. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro offers a standard 225 by 225 by 280 mm/8.85 x 8.85 x 11-inch build volume. Ideal for daily projects. STM32 motherboard and silent stepper motors ensure smooth, accurate movement with noise levels as low as 47 dB. Ready to print in minutes with pre-assembled main parts and a full toolkit. The Neptune 3 Pro features a dual-gear direct drive extruder with a 3:1 gear ratio, built from durable SUS 303 stainless steel. It provides consistent filament feeding and fewer clogs, supporting PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS with ease. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro includes 36-point auto bed leveling, making setup effortless while ensuring a perfect first layer. Filament runout sensor and power loss resume function give you peace of mind during large or complex prints. The nozzle system includes a titanium throw tube, brass nozzle, and widened aluminum heatsink. Combined with a front-mounted cooling fan, it enhances heat dissipation and helps prevent clogs during longer or faster jobs.